latest sewing obsession has been long sleeve tops. I got this pattern from Etsy and it's like the easiest thing ever. I'll try to link it if I can find it again. This isn't like a super in-depth tutorial, but it's just how I make the shirt. I started off by putting a sleeve on a folded edge, and then I'm just gonna cut that out twice. I ordered a PDF pattern, so I just downloaded it on my phone and then printed it out at home, and then I had to like cut out the pattern and then tape it together, kind of like a puzzle, and then it came out to be this shape. But I'm doing a size extra small, I think, and in the end it was much looser than I thought, so I kind of made it fit me how I wanted it to be. This is the front piece. I'm pinning it on a folded edge, and then I'm going to cut it out like I did the sleeves. I'm adding the back piece like I did the other pieces, and then I'm just going to cut that out. I think this pattern comes with like a collar and then like wrist pieces, but that's not how I wanted my tops to look, so I just didn't add those. I'm only using 4 pieces for this top. I feel like depending on your fabric, you may or may not need to add the collar, or just like the way that you want the shirt to look. My fabric is really stretchy, so it looks cute without it. I started by placing the front and back pieces together, right sides facing each other, and I'm going to sew along these 2 little places that I'm pointing at, just one straight stitch. So far I've made this top in white, red, and like a baby pink. I'm waiting to do like a baby blue, but I've just been like buying up all the stretchy fabric that I've been finding in like Joann's or like Hobby Lobby and making this specific top. And I've been wearing it like out to like work and everything, and people think I've bought it, so I think it's a pretty good pattern. But yeah, this is me threading the machine. I'm sure this pattern comes with a more detailed tutorial, but I just forgot to check for that, so I just kind of winged it, but it came out. I think that's how you say it, like wing it, wing, like I wing. Okay, anyways, I put the front and back together like we've sewn that. These are the sleeves. We're opening it up. It's shaped weird, and then we're gonna open this up and kind of just pin the ends together and make it fit like a puzzle. But this is like the first way that I tried to explain it, and it looks kind of difficult, so this makes more sense. We're folding the sleeve in half and then putting it inside of the front and back pieces, but we're gonna make sure like the right sides are facing each other. So this is me sticking this in here, and then we're gonna pin the whole thing for both sides. If it doesn't make sense, just kind of rewatch this part because the video makes more sense than me trying to explain it. The top should look exactly like this or even better because this is only my third time doing this, but I'm just going to sew around the sleeve. I'm not going to like close it off because obviously my arm needs to go through it, but I'm just going to sew around it. To me, this top is like super easy. I'm just pinning around like whatever's left open minus the head hole and like the body hole. I'm just gonna pin down the sides and then just sew 2 straight lines all the way down and back around. After that, I'm just going to cut all of the excess fabric off and then I'm going to try it on to see if it fit. I kind of sewed inward from this pattern to make it tighter. The pattern I bought is a more boxier fit, like on the arms and around the stomach. I just kind of sewed a couple inches in to make it fit better. I like this fit more, but this is my finished product. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, bye.